Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Kandi Perler Fairy. So today, as you can see, we have Pikachu here and I'm wearing my Pikachu sweater. So we're gonna be doing a tutorial in making the Pikachu. So before we start, if you wonder where I got my Pikachu and also my sweater, they're just from Target. Like it's like a lucky shopping, trip. Like I was just shopping for other clothes, but when I saw this one, I was like, okay, let me try it on, and then it fits perfect. So I'm going to show you in a little bit how it looks. And then same as this one, when I saw it, it's super soft. So it's like this. Yeah, so it's like a sleeping Pikachu. It's really cute, and I think they still have it on their website or at the store. So if you like it, definitely go check it out. So recently I did a like a survey, like a question on my Instagram story to see which one you guys want me to build first, and then it was between the Pikachu on the Nintendo Switch like this and then the Pokeball. So this one the cool thing is about it, you can open it and then put like a LED light on it so it can light up like this. So both of these are the 3D builds, okay? And then like this one is the Pikachu Head on this. Look around. It's super cute. And then opens it up. It looks like this. Yep. So the winner is... Da-da-da. Yay! So this is our winner this time. So we're gonna build this one first, and I'm gonna work on this one next time. But make sure you're subscribed so you get the notification when I post this one. And if you're already subscribing and following my Instagram, then you won't miss out any of this cool tutorial. So this cute little thing is very rare. I don't think you can find it anywhere to show you how to build this cute little thing. So I didn't have a pattern, but I kind of look at the photo and figure out my own pattern how to build this one. And I try to make it as easy as possible so I can show it to you guys. And I also decided designed it like the Nintendo Switch, like the Pokeball. And then so this is like the connector of the two. If I take this one out, it looks like a Nintendo Switch with the Pokeball on it, and then in the back it looks like this, and then simply just put it back on. So it looks like this one is built with mini bead. You can also build it with regular bead, but it will turn out really big. This one, make sure you subscribe so you stay tuned, and then when I'm done with this one, you'll get notification. And then today we're gonna work on this one. Let's get started. So earlier I told you I'll show you my sweater. So the thing about the sweater is right here it has like Pokémon sign. At the zipper button, it's a Pokeball. And like, look at this huge Pikachu print. Is super cute, right? The cutest part is right here, the hoodie, and it has the Pikachu ears. And then inside the ear, you can see it has the metal on it, so you can bend it or keep one straight up. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Alright, so let's get started. It's very easy. It's just like building a block. So let's follow the color pattern. As you can see, there's some shininess on my pieces because I work with mini beads, and then sometimes using the transparent matte, ironing paper, it's easier for me to see how they're melt, and then it gives a really shiny touch on the pieces. So this is how we build this box, Nintendo Switch, and then with the Pokeball pattern on the top, and this is gonna be the connector. Put both here to the Pikachu heads. Alright, so let's move on. Alright, let's get started. So these are the front pieces for the face of the Pikachu. So let's connect them. So this is the connector, right? So this is gonna be the base piece for the front. So go ahead and insert it here through these holes. Alright, and then let's put the Pikachu face first. So I'm working with mini beads, so it will be a little bit slower than usually. Alright, so we got this. Let's come into the base piece. So this is the base piece. I'm gonna insert it right here so that we got the base. Let's work on the back. Okay, so these are the pieces for the back. As you can see, we also have two connector pieces to connect them all. So let's do that. So let's insert it right here, the first one, and then the second one. So we need to connect the pieces together. Actually, I like the other side better. If you notice, I always try to pick the size that will work better. And this is going to be the second piece to tap onto the top here. So carefully, especially if you're working with mini bead as well. So this is going to close the back. Perfect. Alright, so kind of push it in to keep the pieces together and tight. And then we're going to connect it to the back. So you can slide it in. Just like so. Alright, so we got the front and the back. Let's work on both sides of the Pikachu. Alright, so this is gonna be the first piece to go in first. And then we have the little connector. Okay, so the little connector goes from the top. Just like so. And then work on the other one. Alright, so as you can see, coming to the side and slide it in. I'm doing extra careful because I'm using mini beads. It's very easy to break. Alright, so looks like we got both sides in. You're looking good. Alright, I hope you got it too. And then let's come into the next one. Will be these two, as you can see, the pink blush to the face, and then this will be the connector. So why don't we just build everything together? Alright, so you can see two sets of this. So let's build the connector first. So right here, let me see, I'm gonna use this one. I'm actually very picky because I want to make sure the pieces will, you know, connect very closely. And then put this one on it. And then this will be the last piece. So I figured this way will be easier. Let's see if it works. Yeah, this is actually way easier. So let's work on the other side. Also using the connector. One time. And then second one. This side. Sorry, actually it should be going to the other side. The color, it will go to this side, right? The layers, just like so, and then slowly pop it on here. Yay, that looks just perfect. All right, so looking like we only have the top part and the ears, right? Let's get started. All right, so here are the pieces to the top. So this one will go in first. Yes, and you can see the slot here because we want to put the ears in. So let's leave these two out first, and then we're gonna build the ears. All right, let's come into the ear pieces right here and the connectors. Okay, so this one's moving up, so it will be using this connector right here. So follow the color pattern. Oops, I just messed up the pieces right here. Okay, no problem. Okay, so this one, follow it, go to the top, and then one more to the back. At any time if I'm going too fast, feel free to go back and then, you know, take your time. Sometimes I know I try to be a little bit slower down. So, oh, this side, sorry. So this side, the black one goes right here. And then the yellow one goes to the bottom. Okay. And then, so right here, oops. I think building 3D Perler, the main thing is like the ironing part. Once you get it right, they can easily be connected. Just like puzzles and Legos. See, sometimes I don't know why am I putting it that way. But here, there we go. All right, so we got the ears right. And then so slowly, it should fit perfect and slide it in. We got this. We're almost done here. So 2 more pieces, as you can follow the pattern right here. Where am I going with? Okay. So take it slow. Yay! Nice. And then pop this one to the top. Then we'll be done here. Yay! Sometimes it doesn't lay that flat, then I try to flip it to the other side. It looks way better, right? So play around with the pieces and see which side works better. And even like right here, try to adjust it right. Yeah, so maybe that way is better. All right, let's bring back our Nintendo Switch. Alright, so you can see this is the connector to connect the Pikachu head onto the top. And there you go, you got this. Yay! So if you make one of this, make sure, you know, tag me on Instagram so I can give you a shout out to show others they can make cute things like this as well. And I want to see how great your looks like. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video and will give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time.
Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.